Welding is a high-risk operation. High temperature and sparks are generated during the welding process, which can easily lead to fire. How to prevent fire is a common sense that every welder should master. Check the welding equipment. If the welding machine is found damaged, it should be repaired and replaced in time. Equipped with fire protection equipment, the most common fire protection equipment should be the fire blanket. Welding fireproof glass is mainly used for fireproofing and flame retardant on welding site. Common electric welding fireproof glass include acrylic glass, silicone glass, polyurethane coated glass, graphite coated glass, high silicon oxide glass, etc. Raising awareness of safety precautions and doing 1,000 safety precautions are not as good as doing a good job of popularizing the safety of a welder.